We have created these QQ plots based on the estimated residuals, but we now argue that it should really be based on standardized residuals. The issue with the estimated residuals is that the variance is not constant, right? So by assumption, the true residuals the variance is constant, but not the one of the estimated residuals. And we had seen in that context the hat matrix, and the ith diagonal element of the hat matrix is HII. So we know the variance of the estimated residuals, and so we just divide by the standard error to get the standardized residuals with constant variance. So straightforward. So here I have another question. Regression of student achievement here is, are the residuals normally distributed? Yes or no? I'll leave you to answer that question. Here is another one. Normally distributed or not? Again, I leave you to answer this question. All right. A third one. See, this one is a little different because it has fewer data points, right? And I guess I'm throwing this in here because it has R code. A bit change. Okay. We're not done with terminology. It turns out that different authors use different words. So we talk about residuals and standardized residuals. Then there's a third thing that's called a studentized residual. A studentized residual is the same thing as a standardized residual, except that in calculating it, the ith observation was not used. We're going to talk about that a little more at some later point. These are subtle differences. But there are different authors who use the words differently. So this course, and also implemented in R and Stata, we use the words residuals, standardized, and studentized residuals. In Abraham et al., or if you look on Wikipedia, you find standardized residuals being called internally studentized residuals, and studentized residuals externally studentized residuals. So it's unfortunate there is different terminology around, but if you know about it, then you can adjust. All right, that's the end of this segment.